Well, seems like there's been nothing but bad news lately. Well, it turns out there is some good news on the way. Well, it's here already. SoundCloud partnered with Twitch. What does this mean? Well, it means all SoundCloud Pro, Premiere, and Repost network users can start earning money from their Twitch streams by letting you jump straight to affiliate status. Basically, just make a Twitch account and use this link down in the description, and they will fast track your channel to affiliate status, letting you make money right away. Affiliate status is a minimum level required to make revenue on Twitch. Normally this requires at least 8 hours of broadcast time in the last 30 days and at least 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days, as well as an average of 3 concurrent viewers for the last 30 days and 50 followers. I have some friends who haven't taken streaming serious enough to dedicate themselves to get an affiliate status, so this will be perfect for them, because they're more committed to music, obviously. So yeah, for once, SoundCloud has done something good. Hooray SoundCloud and Twitch. Hooray SoundCloud and Twitch. So my opinion on this, I think it'll be good for both platforms. I think more musicians need to expand themselves, so maybe this will help some people look in that direction. One of the directions you can expand into. Speaking of which, you should check me out on my Twitch streams, in which I give feedback. Alright, I hope you guys have fun out there streaming and making music. Make sure you guys stay safe. These are very turbulent, uncertain times. Later. Shout out to my patrons, you guys are awesome. You're now listening to Stone Sleeper Beats. Link to check them out is down in the description.